What's good, y'all? Welcome to DIY Plant Boy. It's me, Pablo. I am back, and today we have an unboxing. I have some stuff that I got from Bloomscape. This is my first time ordering from them, and if you guys know me from Instagram, find me at DIY Plant Boy. I recently did an IG takeover with them, and they sent me a $100 gift card, and I was able to purchase these. So unfortunately these were in the mail over the weekend, so I'm a little worried, but we're gonna unbox them, we'll be fine. Let's start with, let's see, philodendron or herbs. Let's do herbs and we'll do the philodendron last. So let's do this, unbox this guy. And I got B-roll going so that you guys can get the full, like, what everything looks like. I am worried because this was like on its side. But let's see. Oh no! Okay. So plants did not come as healthy as I would have wanted, and this is probably because they stayed over the weekend. So is that everything besides the heat pack and that? I will try to nurse them back to health. We'll see. Yeah, they packaged it really well. So it's not the packaging. It's just the... Man, okay. Cocktail collection. So pineapple, sage, orange mint, and rosemary is what I got. I don't know which one's which. So we will see. So let's get through to this unboxing. The part y'all came for. Alright. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Let's take off these mats, these cocoa husk mats. Let's see what we can get into. Which I'm gonna keep these cocoa hut mats because you can use these as you can put them at the bottom of drainage so that you don't lose any soil while you're watering your plants. So I'm gonna keep those for future repots. And it looks like all the stems are still green. No one's like completely dead. The wood chips are always a good touch to keep the plant standing upright. It's just a little annoying to take them out, but you know, I'd rather have a safe plant than have a dead plant. Oh yeah, the plant's still alive. It's definitely still alive. It's just a matter of like trimming off all the dead material. But you know, they came and they're here. So we will see what we can do to get these to bounce back. But I think they'll be fine. I think they just need, I don't even think they need a watering. I think they just got really cold is all. I'll give these a trim and you guys will get updated online on DIY Plant Boy. Check out my stories. I will probably be posting about these throughout the week and just like seeing how they bounce back over time. But yeah, there's still some plant material. It's not, yeah, they just need a trim. They'll grow. They'll be fine. Let's see what this has in it. I mean, I know what it is. I'm just being obnoxious. Okay, so philodendron. This was on its side when I picked it up out of the box, or when I picked it up out front. So I don't know what it's gonna look like. I just don't know where to start. Look at this. Can I just... Ah, there we go. Beautiful. Ah! It looks good. It looks good. Okay. So that is beautifully packaged. Bloomscape does such a good job. Like, I've seen a lot of other unboxings. There's the plant. And sorry about that. They do such a good job packaging their plants. Fantastic. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a Philodendron Shangri-La. I'm looking for, oh, I guess I could just do this. Can I? No? Okay. Beautiful. Ooh. And a saucer. Okay. This is one of their eco pots. It's in charcoal, which I like the charcoal color. It's not like jet black or matte black. All right. There we go. Very cute. So there we go, Philodendron Shangri-La. So I'm gonna give these a water. Pretty much all we're gonna do, I'm gonna trim these up just so you guys can see how I'm gonna like keep them alive. But yeah, just cue the time lapse of care video. Yeah, cue the time lapse. Go. Alright, y'all, so I tried to trim off as much of the like dead plant material as I could. And yeah, so this is pretty much what we got. I'm very happy. Like I know like these came out like not great. But that's partly because that's mostly my fault because of the shipping issue. It's not anything to do with Bloomscape. So, you know, it happens. Sometimes you're not here to pick up a shipment and they decide to delay it, and ended up getting delayed through the weekend and I didn't get it till Monday. So yeah, this ended up causing kind of an issue with the plants. So make sure you are there when your plants get shipped so that you don't end up with things like this, because this does happen sometimes. So with that, I'm gonna leave y'all with joy, I'm gonna leave y'all with peace. Thank you so much, Bloomscape. Thank you to y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Later.